In fact, poverty is a tryout for rich people that how much they are rich. You are peregrine of your sayings and act. Success is valueless if you have no opposition. Your words are your heritage. If you want to find your enemy, look into your color. Your ego is the slave of your wellness. A man is not known by the company he keeps. A man is not always known by the company he keeps. It could be a kind of need, force of circumstances, and many more reasons. In fact, it depends upon the climate of your social institutions. A lad spends maximum part of his life behind an invisible curtain. The Herculean task of this universe is to consent your mistake. Positive thinking is a disease without pain. Sometimes there is no way to handle a repel except shake hand for a while. If you want to speak, then stop speaking. Actual prison is the prison of words. Every human being is clenching the right of someone. Merely the difference is in condition or situation. To speak is a crime. It should be banned. I don't know what kind of people are people. If you show ethics, they will behave in a rough manner. And if you treat them in the same way, then they will say what a bad character person he is. I hate people because they hate people. In backbiting, the daintiest episodes of universe are the secrets of others. There is only one person in your life who loves you, who is sincere to you, who can save your life, who can sacrifice his life and felicity for you, who can toss his coins for you, and you can see his face by standing in front of a mirror. Nothing is impossible for you. You are the writer, your word is imagination. Never go with the stream. Always create your own. Cleverness is the start of madness. Everybody is moving on the rope of nothing but just an eyewash. Have you ever seen the fluctuations in the response and behavior of a person in your life? When you are in dark and he had the candle, and when he was in dark and you had the candle, less is the master of the respect of lad. If you are tossing the secret of someone, it means that you are leaking your own secrecy. Ignorance is nothing. Ignorance is not this that you have nothing in your noises. It means that you are still innocent. Ignorance is a disease without remedy, without prevention. If you are the citizen of ignorance, you are the king of your kingdom.